Okay, now I'm sharing my screen. So this is my classwork given by my student. So I'm very happy that my student has given me classwork today. So I will also do, but before that you have to do it. Now let's start. Who can solve it before me? So there is a competition with ma'am and student. And let me see who can do it first. Ma'am or student, who can do it first? Let's start. 1, 2, 3, start. Do exercise A and C. Exercise A and C, you can do it in your book, okay? You can do it in your book. Let's see. Who can do it fast? Ma'am or student? Let's see. Let me do it also. After that, let's see. The area around our house is called our neighborhood. There are many shops in the market or police station. In the market, people who are injured or sick go to the hospital. The traffic policeman or postman bring us letters and parcel. Postman. We play or sleep in the park every evening. We sleep. Na? We sleep in the park every evening. Na? We sleep in the park. No, we play in the park. Yes. Next. Okay, now exercise C. No need to do exercise B because we will do it later. We will do it later. Do exercise C. Market. So market. Okay, I can see student completed. Acha, market. No need to do straight matching, though I am doing it, but you have to do number matching, okay? Market, we buy things. Hospital, doctors and nurses. School, school we learn. Police, protect us. And park, we play. Park, we play. So market, doctors and nurses. Hospital, market, we buy things. Hospital, doctors and nurses. School, we learn. Police, protect us. And park, we play. Completed? Okay, I am giving you a very interesting classwork. Do it. Do this. More to do. Do this. Let me see who can do it. More to do. Do this. Do it now. Here is given a picture of a neighborhood. Can you identify any 4 places in the picture? Write their name. And also do this. And also do this. More to do. More to do. More to do. Question number 1 and 2. Do now. More to do. Question number 1 and 2. Do now. More to do. Do now. This one. Do now. Let me check who can do it. Do this. All of you do 1 and 2. 1 and 2. Do it now. What is going on? I can't understand. Do 1 and 2. All of you do this. Okay, do it. All of you do it. More to do. What you have to do? Here is given a picture of a neighborhood. You have to identify 4 places in the picture. In the picture, you can see few places are there. I am not going to tell you the name of the places. You have to write here the name of 4 places that you can see in the picture. And question number 2, name a few places where you go regularly. Name 4 places. 4 places are where we go every day. School, market, regularly mean every day you can go. Don't write the name of hospital because we don't go regular hospital. So market, school, you can write here, school. And don't tell me, ma'am, now we are not going to school. You are also attending virtual school. So school, market, every day we need to go market, every day market. After that you can write here park. Every day people can go to park for morning walk. They can go. Acha. And next here you can write regularly. School, market, park, and what else I can write? Student, tell me. Post office, we regular don't go post office, police station, hospital, we don't go regular. Yes, but what I can write here? Temple, I can write here temple because temple also a neighborhood service if you want. Can you see there is a temple here? So if you want, you can write here temple, or else you can also write. The last one is your work. You have to write the name. Achha, let me find out the picture. Is it completed? 4 places that I want to write. Identify. I need to identify the name of the places. No, give me 1 minute. But I can understand that I am writing. If you want to write anything else, that also you can do. If you want to write anything extra, that also you can do. If you want to write something different, Adrita, go, don't have food in the class. You are doing the class, so don't have food here. Don't take food in the class. This is an hospital. It is an hospital. Okay, it is an hospital. It is. It is an hospital. So, let me figure out it. This is a school. This is a school. This is a market. This is a park. And this is an this is a hospital. Okay, done. Is this completed, all of you? Okay. Who can tell me the name of a place where we go every day? Tell me the name of the place where we go every day. Okay. Say. School, park, market, and
Market, park, school, park, market,
yes, hospital. We go hospital regular. No, we go hospital regular. Then yes, Isha say.
Yes, ma'am.
School, market, park, and
Market, mosque, school, and send home.
sent home.
Send home.
Okay, okay. Not mosque, Baba. That is mosque. Okay.
Mosque. Okay, ma'am.
MOSQU. So here, student, here you can write. I am writing both. You can write here MOSQUU. Mosque. You can write here mosque or
Zit.
and or temple. Or temple. Any okay? Or temple. Where we go every day. Okay? Okay, very
Ma'am?
yes.
I also write in my own copy.
Very good.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you. So student, write the name of 4 places where we go every day. Here don't write hospital or post office because in hospital we don't go regular. Post office we also don't go every day. When we need to go there, when we need to send letter, we go there. Yes. And also police station. We don't want to go there. So here you have to write the name where you go regular. So we go regular in school. Regular we go to school, market, park, and also mosque or temple. Yes, regular basis. Almost. Is it completed? Okay. Now show me your copy. Show me your copy. Audrita Ghosh, what is this? Let me remove you from the class. What are you doing? In the class, you are having food. Upama, show me your copy. Shomodeep. Upama, show me your copy. Show me your book. Okay, very good. Shomodeep. Very good. Mubasir. Now drop your hand. All of you drop your hand. Mubasir. Shorish. Shruti. Shruti, you have written in a copy. Why? And what is the condition of your copy? Yes, Shruti, where is your book? Shruti, where is your book? Shruti,
ম্যাম ম্যাম আমার একটু শরীরটা খারাপ আছে, শ্রুতির মা বলছি ম্যাম।
yes.
আমার শরীরটা একটু খারাপ বলে আমি একটু ওর মামার বাড়িতে আছি, ও কপিতেই করছে।
ও, তোর কাছে বই নেই?
হ্যাঁ ম্যাম, হ্যাঁ না ম্যাম বইটা নেই, আমি চলে যাবো আজকে, কিন্তু ওই জন্য বইটা, আমার শরীরটা খুব খারাপ, ওই জন্য আমি এসেছি।
আচ্ছা,
ওকে পড়ানোটা ঠিক সেই, ওই জন্যই একটুখানি
হ্যাঁ।
গন্ডগোল হচ্ছে।
ওকে ওকে
ওই জন্য কপিতে একটু যা করছে ম্যাম, আমি একটু বাড়ি গিয়ে আমি ওকে একটু ঠিকঠাক করিয়ে করাবো ম্যাম।
ওকে ওকে ওকে। তো শ্রুতি বাড়ি যাবে যখন, যেখানটা করতে পারবে না,
হ্যাঁ।
আটকে যাবে, সেটা আবার আমায় বলবে, আমি দেখিয়ে দেবো।
Okay, ma'am.
ওকে। সরিশ, আচ্ছা, অঙ্কিত, মারিয়াম, বেদশ্রিতা, ভেরি গুড। রিধান, মাহির, আশিফ, রিদ্ধিমা, আয়ুষ্মান, মারিয়াম, শ্রেয়ান সঞ্চারী, ভেরি গুড। মৌপলি, সামিহা, শুভ্র। আচ্ছা, শুভ্র wants to tell me something. Yes, say. Okay, Samiha, very good.
I joined just few minutes ago.
Yes.
Ma'am, we answered the following questions. I do not write the answer.
No, don't worry. Don't worry. Exercise C, I didn't give the classwork, okay? Because you will get exercise C question answer.
And ma'am, think and answer.
Think and answer. 1 minute. Yes, along with think and answer. Think and answer also we get. Why do we behave well with our neighbors? And what are the things that should be needed to keep our neighborhood clean? Think and answer and exercise C will send you today. Okay.
And ma'am, nothing inside question also to.
Along with inside question, exercise question, everything will send you in study material.
Okay, ma'am. Okay, ma'am. Thank
First,
you.
I will send you. First, I will send you today. After that, Monday in class we will discuss. Okay.
And ma'am, check my book. Thank you.
Okay.
Thank you, ma'am.
Ognidipta, Poshita, Ashif. Okay, good. Ognidipta, Poshita. Okay, very good. Acha, next, Jishan, who had given me the classwork. Jishan, Ognidipta. Okay. Then Ridhan. Acha, Shorish. Very good. Upama, very good. Adrita. Okay. Yeah, what happened, Shomadip? What is this? Acha. Oh, okay. Oh my God, acha. Samia, anything you want to say?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am. Why? No question.
No, ma'am.
No question. Why? Should ask me question. What happened? There was a day. Then why you don't want to say? Because there was a time in Montessori 3. That time Samia wants to say lots of things. As now she has to talk in English, speak in English, she is silent. So student, listen one thing. Don't use Bengali in the class because you are in English medium school. Samia just muted herself. So student, don't speak in Bengali in any class, not only for my class, for other classes also. Don't use in Bengali repeatedly. All time try to speak in English only, because this is English medium school. That's why you have joined. That's why you have joined. Yeah, okay, Adrita, I have checked your copy. Okay. And in my class, from Monday, don't dare to speak in Bengali. Otherwise, I will deduct 5 marks from English. Understand?